This cow is a feisty cow. I eat no black curry shrimp. We have a mudfish. Yeah. Guys, we are trying to pass this cow, and this cow will give one heck of a problem. This cow is a feisty cow. Like, literally I passed him a while ago, and the cow run me down. Eh? Have you want to run down? Alright, I'll try moving. And put on bag. Drive him, man. Yeah, even can go up there, so. Man. That's the better about. Holy shit! No. How fuck all this man? No. How fuck all that? No, we are tremble. We are tremble like a leaf. So me and a shake. Yo. Guys. Leave him. I don't know where this call comes from, but boy, I'm faced this evening. Yo. How would you trouble him? Man. I vehicle, you know. That's it. Look my God. Oh my God. Hey, girl, did I turn up and look? I'm not turn up with you, you know. Yo. Take on back company, because I don't walk back past this. No. Yo, this cow, come here and shake. Boom, looks cool. Come here and shake. Yo. So this is my tent. Jessica mansion. Yep, that's a mansion right there. And this is my little, what do I call it now? What do you call them? Something there? Shop? Motel. Mansion. So, right now, it's time to get fire ready now. You can sit down, sir. You're old man. We get the fire ready now. Morning. This is our firewood we are going to use now. I make a fire. Burn some fire at night.
Rastafari.
Rastafari. Oh. Fire up. We have some shrimp and some other stuff right here. Shrimps, and we have a pot. Like that. We tent them up there, so I'll be there right by the river. So the next step is we get some food ready. So now we get the fire started already. we gotta get some food now. So first thing we'll go on is the rice, and then the shrimp will go on after. So we make the rice go on steam, and then we put on the shrimp. And then now, you know, later in the night, we'll jump in the water and see if we can get some fishy breakfast in the morning. So y'all just stay tuned for that. We'll get the food ready and get something to eat, and relax a little, and then out in the water. So stay tuned. Guys, we have a pot here. You don't know, we'll get some water from the river, because you don't know the thing set today by the river camp. We'll cook some rice. So let's go. And we're gonna put the rice on this fire right here. Look at that bird, guys. Nice. So the fire go on now. I mean, the pot go on the fire now. She said no rice pot. And then we're gonna create this fire now with the shrimp, but we don't ready for this fire yet. So we're gonna make the rice go on cook, make the water hot, get some oil in, some salt, and then the rice. People, this is gonna be awesome, believe me. Mosquito bite me up still. But you don't know that go. We're gonna pre that. Right now what we do, I get the food ready, and then I don't know, we get some food to eat. And an action time out in the water, so stay tuned. The rice a bubble. By the time the water come out, it dry, it cook basically. Oh, nice. Shrimps right there, first season. So guys, look at this now. We have the pot on the fire for the shrimp. The shrimp is right here. This is the rice pot. I can't even hold it. Ooh, it's hot. Hot. Up on the rice. Yeah. Alright, so we'll get the shrimp in the pot now. And then make that go and simmer. And then, you know, we'll get something to eat. That's the best part right now. But there's these flies that's following the light, and trust me, they're getting annoying, man. But yeah, I get the shrimp salt out now still, and then get something to eat. It's ready. I don't want to eat no black curry shrimp. So I put it there first, make it go on simmer. I'm done, chef. The chef alone can do this, you know. Nice. Anytime I just see is very good, I'll be like, Jano, what am I do with my life now?
Right, what am I do now? Watch Arrow.
Oh, no, what's that one?
The first like 3 seasons, very nice. Right now, it's kind of laying down a little bit.
Arrow?
I'm over here. Guys, good morning. Uh, I just wake up on the year. It was a very cold night, but warm at the same time. But you get messy. Sometimes warm, sometimes cold. Sometimes get really cold, but it was good overall. Yep. So it's the next day. Uh, don't know what we have planned as yet, but yeah, the kitchen a fire. Fine, awesome. Yeah, well, we're gonna see what's good, or what's going on for the rest of the day, and we'll just bring you guys along the journey. So stay tuned for that. And I get up now and get myself fresh up. Let's go. This was the night catch. We have a mudfish, sunfish, crayfish, mullet, shad, and a perch. Not bad. It can serve as dinner. This fish, huge. So when you see this in the water, you'll be like, yo, this one huge. Teeth. I get them here clean now. Get them clean up. Yeah, look at the amount of fish we got right now. Can we eat so much fish? Well, so this is the mudfish, river mullets, the sunfish them, look at this people. This is the mudfish. Let me look a little bit and look at this now. This thing can extend. Yo, this is the ugliest fish in the river, but tasty. So we have to fish them clean now. We have to get them seasoned, and then we have to get some coconut. We have to search for some coconut in the bush, and we have grated them. We have cooked down some of this fish in some coconut juice with some fried green plantain. So you don't know that go. I get everything started now, season them up and head out. So let's go. So guys, we're getting fish them seasoned up now. So you know, get them in a container. So guys, I see when we finish the fish them, and now we're gonna hunt some coconut. We're gonna raid somebody farm. Just kidding, we're gonna go our own farm. We're gonna get some coconut and what? Green planting. That's what we're gonna do. Yeah, we'll get coconut, green planting, and we'll come back from the river and we're gonna match up the fish them with the green planting. So right now we're gonna leave camp and we're gonna search some coconut. So join us. Hope the cow is up here, so you move the cow. So guys, we're on the search now to find the coconut we reached by the farm. So I don't know. I'll try to find some coconut, but I think if we go around more, I suppose we can find around for some tree there. Yeah, so we're going to search for some coconut now people, because I don't know. Without the coconut, we can't cook our fish them, so we'll try to find coconut. You know, let's go. One more here. Guys, we'll find a coconut. Hopefully them good. Mission accomplished. We have a 2 coconut we come for, we get them. So, you don't know what time is it now. So guys, we have a coconut them. Come all this way. The 2 coconut to cook our fish. But we got them still, so they're not 2 solid dry coconut. And then now we're gonna try to get the planting. And then we head out back by the river and we take a jump off. You're gonna see all of that. So Jessica don't come a bush in her shorts and now
I love it!
she have to run. Oh, she have to run.
Natural.
Yeah?
And that we call farm to table.
We have coconut already, we have a fish. Right now all we need is our planting. And that's exactly what we'll get right now. So I don't know over there, see me, but I look up farm, see me. Not a big one, but we have planting right here. See? Yeah. So we'll cut that on my son, my face one. We're gonna
pull it down. Oh. And guys, look at that. See that? Just like that. I don't think I want to take more than a hand from me. We don't need a lot. Oh shit, man. I don't want to cut that in my clothes. The clothes are going to stay, you know. No doubt about that. So I'll get the front the same way, so regardless. Boom. So fried green plantain. Fish. Might curry the fish them, maybe not. But this is good for now. So guys, we made it back by the river, you know, and right now we're gonna jump off into the water. You know, the place hot, so might as well we just jump off with the spear gun and see what we can get from the river. Although we have fish already, but a little more won't hurt. So we're gonna gear up now. Can't too much. So we'll gear up now. I'll get some underwater footage same way, and then come back out of the water and we'll cook some food. But let's get that done now. Guys, we're back from diving, and let me show you what the catch of the day. Let's see the catch of the day. And the catch of the day is ta-da! Another crayfish. This is a male. But it's small. And then we have a perch, no eye. The spear fly right through your eye to it. Look like a zombie. Yeah. See if we can find the fish them from before. Oh, they seasoned up earlier. In the tent. Woo-wee. Yep, these are gonna be fried right about now. But guys, look at that. rain. I wonder if it's gonna be bad. Hopefully not. Oh shoot. But this is what's up, you know. Hopefully the rain don't come in too bad, so we can get fill up boat lunch. Yep. Guys, would I watch the weather, but it seems like the weather now will come this side right now, so see the sky look. So we're just gonna just make up a fire now and see if we can get some food sorted out in the afternoon here. So I don't know, we'll head back by the riverside. I get a fire, make up, I get the plates clean, pot everything clean. I don't know, we're gonna do with some food. We're gonna fry the fish and we're grate the coconut. So while the fish are frying, coconut are greater. So I'm just carry guys along that journey. Let's go. The rain decides it's gonna fall, so we have like a makeshift kitchen, you know. Yeah, so we have to look about the food in here today. It's not outdoor anymore. So time now to get the coconut pick out from the shell, then grater, and then you know say we're gonna fry the fish then. You see me? We need a good fire to fry the fish, so we have to make the fire really hot before we can fry the fish then. So that's the next period right now. You see me? So you know, as me say, the rain come in. I'm sure now I'm going. See, that's our setup. Nice looking setup, man. Yeah. That's the free. Guys, look at this. We have oil in our pot. And we will fish them and we are going to fry right now. You know. Yeah. So, I'm going to test if the oil hot so we can fry the fish then. Woo! Not hot yet. Not as yet, so want a little more. Yeah, so I don't know. I will fish them and we got mats up. No idea. Like extremely hot right now, so I don't know. I get to fish them in. Tilapia first. Let's go. Like that. Yeah, straight in we'll go. Get the far. Right, fish. Guys, these are the fish from last night. So guys, this is the progress so far. The fish them finish. I put about the pot, fry some plantain. We have a coconut milk right here. You know, I get some seasoned cut up now. Yeah, and that's basically the pre. What time now? Basically dinner we all look about.
Yes.
Yeah. So put him out the oil. Guys, look at this now. Planting them. Finish. So you know what's up now? I get the coconut juice out. Put it on fire. And you don't know, so from this, so we're good to go again. You know, where did I put that coconut juice? Oh, in this. Let me show you guys what's up. Yeah, man, must taste good. Now the coconut juice. Oh, yeah. Now borrow them, huh? Look like borrow. Sunfish.
Yes, people. This lovely fish go into our natural coconut juice.
Dry out and we don't have no gravy.
Right, I'm gonna need gravy with my rice.
Yeah, I'll put down my rice.
You want some water?
Yeah,
Any more?
guys, the food is finished, you know. Some coconut fish with some white rice, you know. So I get everything shared out now and get some food. Yeah.
Nothing like it. Oh man, I can never get this one. Rice and our mudfish cooked in coconut.
Guys, you know it's bad manners to talk with food in the mouth. I totally forgot to record when the food had finished, when I was eating, but I just left. Trust me. Amazing. The mudfish, bad. You see me? A lot of people think that mudfish tastes like mud or it doesn't taste good. Maybe them not get the right ones. You see me? We get this out of the river. We basically in fresh water every day, so it tastes lovely. But guys, the video is coming to an end right now. It's evening again. You know, we're there from yesterday evening, and it's evening again. You see me? So basically 24 hours. Right now, I finish eat. I'm gonna start pack up with stuff them, so we can head home. You see me? So that's the pre right now, guys. We're gonna finish up, pack up, head home. So. Come to the end of the video. What, 24 hours fully, more than 24 hours. But it was a good trip. Yeah, we go night diving, we do some cooking, shrimp, fish. It was good. Like camping.
Excellent.
They make camping, rich people camping. Now we have some like you know, simple something about shrimp, fish.
Glamping.
It was good, but you know, come to the end of the video. We are gonna head home now. You know, we're kind of beat out, tired. See Jessica tired.
Yes.
So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember Jessica's channel, Jessica Cargill. Yeah. So we're gonna sign off now, guys. So peace out.